تنحى يا حزن واهجر فؤادا توكل بجد بعزم فصيح تنحى يا حزن واهجر فؤادا توكل بجد بعزم فصيح.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear brothers and sisters, in the previous lesson we discussed the 4 primary sources of Islamic law, Sharia. Among them, the second source is the Sunnah of the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, also known as Hadith. In today's lesson, we will present a few hadiths that establish the importance of Tajweed. Before doing so, it is important to understand that hadith can be categorized into 5 types. 1. The sayings call of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. 2. The actions, fill, of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. 3. The approval, taqrir, of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, when a companion performed an act in his presence and he did not object to it. 4. The sayings of a companion, sahabi. 5. The actions of a companion, sahabi. First evidence from Hadith. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Many are the reciters of the Quran, yet the Quran curses them." Ihai, Ulam al-Din. Translation. There are many people who recite the Quran, but the Quran itself invokes a curse upon them. Explanation by Mullah Ali al-Qari, may Allah have mercy on him. This hadith refers to 3 categories of people. 1. Those who recite the Quran but do not act upon its teachings. 2. Those who alter or distort the Quran. 3. Those who recite the Quran incorrectly. Second evidence. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Indeed, Allah loves that the Quran be recited as it was revealed." Sahih ibn Khuzaimah. Translation. Indeed, Allah Almighty loves those who recite the Quran exactly as it was revealed. Third evidence. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Recite the Quran in the dialects and voices of the Arabs." Mishkat al-Masabi. Translation. Recite the Quran according to the pronunciation and style of the Arabic language. With this, we conclude today's lesson. Insha'Allah, we will continue with the remaining evidences in the next class. Jazakum Allahu khairan, may Allah reward you with goodness.